Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn image into line art in Photoshop. So first step you need to do is to open Photoshop and click on Ctrl J on the background layer and create a new layer. Once you create, you simply need to go onto the image, click on adjustment, and the first step you need to click on desaturate, and then you simply need to click on Ctrl J to create another layer. Once you create it, click on image again, adjustment, and now you need to select invert. Once you invert it, you simply need to come here into the tab that a blending mode and select color dodge. Once you select it, go on to the filter, click on other and select minimum. And here you need to play around so that you can select which one you like the most. So for me it is perfect. Then you need to click on OK, and in the next step that you if you want you can do that as well. You simply need to click on Control Alt Shift and E to create another layer. Click on image again, click on adjustment and select levels and play around with the levels. So here you can see it will help you to get more realistic. I think that's look perfect. Click on OK, and this is the final results and this is the results. Let me show you before result and that is after result. So this is the process that you need to follow to turn image into line art in Photoshop. I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thank you.